Let's go for a walk, Pin-Pin. Walk! Pin-Pin looks very happy today. Happy! Careful, Pin-Pin. Yelp! Oh no! Don't worry, I'll help you. Pin-Pin's stuck. Don't worry. It's okay, Pin-Pin. We will help you. Whimper. Giggles. Whimper. Woof. You're free. Pin-Pin okay? Yes, but he needs to rest. Letty's carry Pin-Pin home. Bye. Stretcher. Be gentle. Be gentle. Woof. We're going home now. Home. We made it! Woof, woof! Helping friends is important. Friends!
Today, Daddy Pig is taking Peppa and George to see big vehicles. Are you ready for a fun trip?
Yes, Daddy!
Trip! They walk to a place with many vehicles.
I love big vehicles. Big! This is an excavator.
This excavator digs the ground.
Wow! It has a big arm. The excavator is very strong. Dig! Dig!
That's right, George.
This is a road roller.
It makes the road flat. Roll, roll, roll. The road roller works slowly and safely.
Very good.
This is a truck. Trucks carry heavy things.
It's very big. Trucks help move things everywhere. Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye, truck.
Good job.
This is a fire truck.
It's bright red.
Fire trucks help people. Fire trucks are very important. Nina!
Well done. They have seen many vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Did you like the vehicles?
Yes.
Peppa remembers what she learned.
Vehicles help people work. Help!
It is time to go home.
What was your favorite?
Fire truck. Peppa had a great day.
I like all the vehicles. Okay. What a sunny day. Let's exercise. Exercise is fun. I want to exercise too. What's that? Hello. Come exercise with us.
Yes! Let's do it together!
Great idea.
Let's all jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Stretch.
This
This is fun.
Circle your arms. Oh, Nigla! Touch your toes. Bend left, bend right. Bend left, bend right. Lift your knees. March, 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 march. March, march. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch. Exercise makes us happy. Let's run together. This is the start.
I am ready.
Running is fun. Fun. Good job, Betmint. Finish line. I'm here. I'm here.
I did it! Like great gate to set! Dig again! Bit 3 broke! Go take gate to set!
Running together is happy. Yes, it is. So much fun. Let's play together again. Let's play together again. Let's play together again. Today, Peppa and George are going to the water park with Daddy.
Wow.
The water park is huge. Water.
Remember, safety first.
Oh! Yes, Daddy. The water feels lovely. Hey, hey. Whee!
Easy, George.
Splash! 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 The waves are funny.
Bowing!
Fun! Hey, bowing!
Bowing,
Yay!
Well done.
My turn! My turn! Yay! Again!
Let's have a little rest.
Okay. Peppa and George had a wonderful day at the water park. That was the best day! Water park! Family days are the best days. Let's learn numbers today. Whoa! That sounds fun. Hooray! Let's go! 3, 4, 5. Yay! Oh, yay! 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 Let's count the plant pots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 5, 5. Huh? Huh? Wait.
Voy Voy.
Let's count petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4. 아죠. Flowers are tickly.
Look! Ants! Whoa! Look at them all lined up. Ooh. Ant. 1 ant. 2 ants. Ah. Hey! 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 Wait for me! 3, 4, 4, get time. 5.
Let's count again next time. Breakfast time.
It is bedtime at Peppa Pig's house. I'm sleepy. George turns the fan on. Very cool.
George is fast asleep.
Cough, cough, cough. Oh.
George, what's wrong?
Oh dear. The fan is too strong. When we sleep, we should use a small fan.
Oh, George, are you okay? Yes, Mum. A little better.
Here is a warm towel. Drink some warm water, George. Thank you, Mum.
I feel better. That's good, George.
Next time, I will use a small fan and keep it far away. That's right.
It is a lovely day in the park. Yummy candy.
Oh no! The wrapper is on the ground! Oh dear!
Someone dropped litter. Someone dropped litter here.
Voy Voy, did you drop this?
Yes. I did.
We should not throw rubbish in the ground.
I'm sorry.
Voy Voy puts the rubbish in the bin. I will not litter again.
When you have rubbish, what should you do? Put it in the bin, yes, that's true.
No litter here, no litter there. We keep the park nice everywhere. A clean park is fun to play. Let's keep rubbish far away.
Wow! This game is so fun! Just a little more. Oh, my eyes feel tired. My eyes hurt a bit. Have you been watching the iPad for a long time? Yes. Yes, a very long time.
Daddy, my eyes feel sore.
Oh, Peppa,
Let's rest them for...
rest them for a bit.
Too much screen time can make your eyes tired.
Ha! They are so colorful. Remember, don't watch the iPad too long.
Okay, Mommy.
Family time outside is the best.
I love our garden. Haha, we do too, darling.
Yes, it's wonderful.
It's good to rest your eyes and look at green things.
Let's go outside and look at the flowers.
Wow, the garden looks beautiful.
Green and nature help your eyes relax.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy.
Peppa, are you okay?
Yes, Daddy, I'm fine. I need to use the toilet.
Huh?
Oh, no!
Yikes!
Betment, what's wrong, George?
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh no, George!
Let's take a look.
I see them.
Wow, look at them go!
Those are toilet germs. We need to wash our hands so they don't make us sick.
Soap time. Eggy shine. Oh no!
They are going away. Bye-bye, germs.
What? It's clean now. I'm not scared now. Nightmare, I'm scared now. Clean toilets are the best.
Only their eyes and big smiles can be seen. Ho, ho, ho.
Peppa loves jumping in muddy puddles. I love muddy puddles. Splash!
It is a lovely day outside, and Peppa and Voy Voy have found a very muddy puddle.
Oh, a big
Voy Voy loves muddy puddles too. Splash, splash.
This is so fun!
They jump and laugh together. Jump, 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 jump. Again.
Peppa and Voy Voy are very muddy. We are jumping in muddy puddles, Daddy. It's super fun.
Daddy Pig likes muddy puddles too. That does look fun. Daddy Pig jumps in the muddy puddle. Whee! Splash!
They all jump together. Daddy is jumping too.
They are very, very muddy.
We are super muddy. I can't see my feet.
Only their eyes and big smiles can be seen. Ho, ho, ho.
Today was the best. Muddy fun.
They are happy and tired. Time for a bath.
Peppa and George are drawing pictures together. I need the yellow pencil. Oh. Where is the yellow pencil? Dinosaur? No.
Pin Police is here to help.
Let me check under the bed.
Not here.
Pin Police searches the bedroom.
Still not here. Pin Police looks outside near the flowers. He searches around the bright pots. He finds something interesting.
Not here either.
George, can you stand up?
Narrator. Everyone laughs happily.
All right, Pin Police. Today we learn how to follow directions. Ready, Pin Police? Woof.
Welcome to Pin Police Training.
Training time.
Woof.
Woof.
Last exercise. Find the toy.
Great balancing, Pin Police. Jump over the obstacle. Woof.
Crawl through the frames.
Woof, woof. Woof, woof. crossing, Pin Police.
Splash! Pin Police is a great swimmer. Training complete. Well done, Pin Police.
You passed the training.
Pin Police finishes his training with a big smile. Swimming is so much fun. The water is perfect. I need to be careful with these paint cups. Look at all the splashes. Look at all the splashes. This is so exciting. Betment, are you okay with those cups? Whew, just a wobble.
Be careful.
Oops. I dropped the paint into the water.
Wow, look at all the colors in the water.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm so sorry, Peppa. I didn't mean to make a mess. That's okay, Betment. We can clean it up together.
This is amazing. The colors make swimming even more fun.
You're making it look so beautiful, Peppa. The water feels so magical with all these colors.
Oh.
I have a towel ready for you, Peppa. Thank you for helping me, Betment. You're welcome, Peppa. Now you're all dry and ready to play.
Look at how pretty the pool looks now.
Oi, day for a dig, Lakyan.
Whoa. I'm really sorry for the accident,
But I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's okay. It turned into a fun adventure.
yeah, it was great.
Thanks. Looks like it's time to clean up the pool. Goodbye, colorful pool. It was an unforgettable day. Let's come back and swim again soon. Yes, that was so much fun. I can't wait. Me neither.
What a wonderful day we had together.
The water is safe and shallow.
The water feels nice.
Stay close to me.
Here is a float ring, Peppa. It will help you.
Oh, I feel safe.
That's right, Peppa. It's so safe.
Move your arms like this.
Like this?
Why not?
Kick gently. That's it.
Splash, splash.
Good job. You're doing great.
Time to rest, Peppa. Good job getting to the steps. Slow and steady.
Wait a minute.
Oh, swimming is fun.
Well done, Peppa. You were brilliant.
Let's swim again. Let's swim again.